Today, we'll discuss some guidelines to help you create your own exercise plan. In terms of selecting an exercise program to follow, the frequency, duration, and intensity of your workouts will depend on your specific goals. Training for weight loss, lean muscle mass, strength, or endurance will affect how long and how often you train. When you're planning to do resistance training, remember that this type of exercise routine isn't done every day. This is especially true for beginners. Beginners should perform 2 to 3 resistance training sessions per week. They should focus on total body exercises that incorporate upper and lower body movements. Intermediate lifters, those who have been exercising consistently for 8 to 10 months, can train 3 to 4 days per week. Intermediate lifters should do either 3 days of full body exercise or 4 days if using a split routine such as upper-lower or push-pull exercises. Those who are advanced in terms of resistance training, or those who have been training consistently for at least a year, can train 4 to 6 days per week. When you're starting out, aim to perform 5 to 10 exercises per session, focusing on one movement per muscle group. The number of sets and repetitions performed is based on your specific goal. For example, if you're training for muscular endurance, perform 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. If you're working towards muscular hypertrophy or an increase in size, perform 1 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. If you want muscular strength, perform 1 to 3 sets of no more than 6 repetitions. Rest intervals are often overlooked in resistance training. Resting between sets is important because it allows you to maintain proper form, which helps reduce the chance of injury. If you're training for endurance, rest 30 seconds between sets. If you're training for size gains, rest 30 to 90 seconds between sets. If you're training for strength, make sure to rest 2 to 5 minutes between sets. You should perform cardiovascular or aerobic training 2 to 5 days per week. If you're a beginner, start with 2 days and slowly increase your frequency of cardio training. Cardio sessions should be anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes in length. You should get at least 30 minutes of aerobic activity most days of the week. If you have trouble continuing exercise for this length of time, you can always use short bouts of exercise, say 5 to 10 minutes, while taking breaks when needed. Continue this pattern until you reach 30 minutes of total exercise. Remember to start slow and work your way up over time. As your body gets used to resistance and cardiovascular training, you'll be able to increase the frequency and duration of your workouts.